Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll explain how withdrawals work at Polarium Broker in a simple, clear, and transparent way. During this video, you'll see each of these steps appear on the screen to help you understand. Before I show you the step-by-step process, it's very important to understand how Polarium works when it comes to trust and security. Polarium is a global brokerage used by people in different countries. It was created to offer an organized, secure, and reliable environment for its clients. The entire process within the brokerage follows clear rules, from registration to withdrawal. When the user follows these rules correctly, payments are made normally and securely. This is done to protect both the client and the brokerage itself. Withdrawal is one of the most important parts for anyone who uses a brokerage, and it's at this moment that the user confirms that the entire process is working correctly. That's why Polarium maintains a simple system where the client can request, track, and confirm the withdrawal directly from their account. Everything happens within the brokerage, with no intermediaries. A very important point is to always use your own data, okay? The name on the brokerage account must match the withdrawal details. This includes documents and banking information. Using third-party data can cause delays or even prevent the withdrawal from being completed. This rule exists to ensure more security and avoid problems in the process. Now, for the step-by-step process. First, you log into your Polarium Broker account. Next, you'll click on Withdraw Funds, which is available inside the brokerage. After that, you choose the available withdrawal method, enter the amount you want to withdraw, confirm your details, and finalize your request. After you submit the request, the withdrawal is registered in your account. You can track the status whenever you want. This provides more peace of mind, as you can see that the process is underway and being handled in an organized manner. Polarium works to keep this process clear from start to finish. By following all the steps correctly and using only your own data, the withdrawal is completed securely. This measure helps the brokerage maintain a trustworthy environment for all users. The process is organized this way to protect everyone who uses the brokerage. Withdrawals at Polarium Broker are simple, transparent, and secure. Just follow the step-by-step instructions, use your own data, and track everything directly through the brokerage. In upcoming videos, I'll continue explaining other Polarium features in an educational and clear way. So, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and follow our upcoming content.